My name is Offie Angela. I'm here to present a topic, a case study of classroom teaching plan for modern school. The table of contents, title page, introduction, meaning of teaching plan, main components of a teaching plan, previous knowledge, objective, content, teaching method, time frame, evaluation, and summary. Introduction. There are standards for basic education teaching, which every school are expected to implement. Classroom teaching plan, whether several subjects or a specific content area are being taught. Lesson plan matters. The quality of your teaching plan will determine how efficiently class time is used and how much content your learner will learn. The main focus of a teaching plan is to ensure that they contain the main elements of the teaching or what is to be taught. They are meant to guide your instruction to a maximum classroom time. Meaning of teaching plan. Teaching plan is an outline of education to be provided to the learners. Components of teaching plan. Objective. It is a statement that describes what the learner will be able to do after a teaching and learning process. Previous knowledge. It is entry behavior of learners into a lesson. That is, what they are aware of, have known, have been practicing, etc. before introduction of a new topic or concept. Content. Content areas is based on the subject being taught. It is also based on what a learner should know and be able to do after the teaching and learning process. Teaching method. This comprises the principles and methods used by teachers to enable learners to learn. The strategies, the methods are determined partly on subject matter to be taught and partly by the nature of the learner. Example, demonstration method, discussion method, project method, field trip method, talking and lecturing method. Time. It is the amount of time allotted for each teaching period in a lesson. Evaluation is the total assessment of the teaching and learning process. It is also carried out during and after the lesson. This can be formative or summative. In view of the above discussion, it implies that schools with modern system of education in line with ICT multimedia-based teaching and learning. Learning becomes easier and faster. Unlike the conventional or traditional system, thus this shows that an ICT-based learners have an edge over their counterparts. Therefore, a standard for teaching and learning basic education is expected for every school to implement. This is a sample of a modern school classroom lesson plan. Good morning, class. Last Friday, Remy did not come to school. What happened? Went to hospital. Why? Okay, because she was sick. She was down in health. Okay, good. That brings. And when he went to the hospital, what happened? Okay. Thank you. That brings our topic of today as the basic concept of drug. Say after me. Basic concept of drug. And why, on the course of the basic concept of the drug, as we have, I want you to tell me, what do you understand by the word drug? Okay, you all tried. Thank you. Listen very well. Drug is a substance we take into our body when we are sick so as to get well. What do I say? Drug is a substance we take into our body when we are sick so as to get well. Good. And we have different types of drug. Different types of drug we take determine on the type of sickness that we experience. And those types of drug, number one, we have powdered drug. Look at it here. This is Andrew Lever's salt. Is powdered drug. How do you take it? You take it by cutting it and pouring it into a cup and stir it with a spoon. Take it. The second drug is ointment. Look at ointment. Now we are getting into cold season. If you are cold, you use this ointment to rub all over your body. Do you get me? You rub it all over your body. That's the second type of drug. Another one is syrup. Syrup is the one you take with spoon. It's in form of liquid. Look at it. It is in form of liquid. You take it with spoon. You take it with a spoon. The second one is capsule or tablet. What is this? Paracetamol. Paracetamol is a tablet. And look at this. This one is capsule. This one is also capsule. Tetracycline is a capsule. So there's different types of capsule we have, but this one is one of the examples that you have to know. All these things are the types of drug. Look at this. Look at the injection. The syringe is the nurse or the doctor that will give it to you. No other person. It's doctor or a nurse that will give it to you. Do you understand my explanation? Okay, that's good. That's good. I want you to ask me a question, the area that you didn't understand. Let me explain more. Okay, drug. Drug is a substance we take into our body when we are sick so as to get well. Okay, the difference between the ointment and the syrup. Good. The difference is that the ointment, look at it here, and look at the syrup. Look at syrup here, look at ointment. Ointment is the one that you rub. Example, when you are cold, you rub it. Or when you have a friction on your leg, on your hand, you use it and rub and massage it. That's ointment. While syrup is the you take it with spoon. You take it with spoon with prescription from the doctor or a nurse. This one is also the injection that you take, the needle and the syringe you take for the with the medicine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Clap for them. Clap for them, those that ask questions. Amina, are you okay? Do you understand it now? Okay. Bobo, what of you? You two understand it. That's good. Clap for yourself. Then I want to repeat. I want somebody to define drug for me without any mistake. Now, that's good. That's good. Now it's time for my own to ask you question. Define drug for me. How many types of drug do we have? Musa? How many types of drug do we have? Charles Obaka, mention one. Favor. Remy. Good. A round of applause. Again, you all tried. You all tried. Thank you. Thank you. We are going to copy notes. When you finish copying, you submit. Then you make sure you copy your home task. And your home task is you have to draw a doctor or a nurse that is treating a boy that is sick. Do you understand me? Thank you.